so I've got to get this on. Oh, there he is! Oh, I was just saying I gotta get this on camera. You got these big lots coming and eating this big dry fly. Get freaking out of here! It's another beautiful fish.
It took like 5 seconds.
It didn't even take that. I just turned on the camera. Dude, that's a nice fish too. Get out of here, Lahawtan cutthroat on hoppers. That's not even supposed to happen. Dude, I'm seriously, every book that I've read says nothing about catching Lahawtans on the dry.
We should rewrite the book.
I guess so. You know, I gotta give props to Kobe because when he said he's tying on a dry, I'm like, that's never gonna work.
He's like, tie on a dropper.
That's never gonna work. Tie on a dropper. And guess what? We are catching Lahawtan cutthroat on these great big Chernobyl ants. Get the frick out. I can't believe it. So great.
Pretty cool.
Let's go catch a few more. Let's do this. Fish on. I wasn't even ready. And Kobe got another one. Another Lahawtan on the dry. On the dry fly. This is not normal. Oh my God. I'm gonna need a dry fly because I left all those in the Jeep because I thought I don't need to take up room in my bag with that.
You're a veteran
I know, but at no point did I think that this was even possible. Another beautiful fish on the dry.
Holy shit.
Get out. Seriously, Kobe, if I'm being completely honest, I thought, that's never gonna work.
I know that's what you thought.
It worked. Gorgeous. Well, not near as big as yours, but sure pretty. It's unhooked. Sweet. Well, I was still blind casting and got into another one. Sun's back out now, so I'll be able to start seeing them. Just another really pretty fish. Ah, there we go. Look at this guy. Look at the spots on him. God, he's just super pretty. Yeah, he's got a little more gumption, the bigger fish. Ran back, got the net. Yeah, this is a good fish. Oh yeah, it's a really good fish. Nope. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Right out. No, don't.
See if you can measure them against the net. It's a 18 inches from here to the end. Wow. So that's a good 19, 20.
Look at that. Can I get a still picture of this guy?
Yes. Oh, there we go. That's a bigger fish. Oh, the color on this one, Kobe. Oh, please stay on, please stay on, please stay on. Oh my God. Oh, I'm not doing a very good job netting here. I'm not being patient. Oh yes, oh my God, Kobe. That. His teeth stuck in the net. That is a huge Lahawtan. Yeah, I'm gonna go with a short line and just stand up from shore a little bit so I can see him and sight cast for him. Oh, I see him. There he is. Oh! Yep. It's like one went after it, and then the other one tried to go after it, and then they both kind of freaked each other out. Oh, he looked at it again. Oh, there he is. Yes. The one guy took a swipe at it and the other one went after it. Oh my God, this is just stupid fun. On the dry. Oh, this is just, oh, this is unbelievable. Oh, there it is. teeny Oh, just need a little bit of new water. Beautiful fish. Way to go, man. Oh, show us what you're using. Look at this thing. Big ol' Chernobyl and get out of town. Look at that fish.
Monster.
Wow. Oh, what a tank. Look at this just warrior cutthroat. Oh my God, it's huge. Wow, just a beautiful fish. Wow. Seriously, look at the spots on this guy. You just don't see fish like this anywhere else in the world. Wow.
Give it a net. Show you off.
Just a little show off, you know?
That's all.
Gonna put you right back into the water. Cutthroat I have ever caught here. Probably 24 inches. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh, wow.
On the dry.
Dry and 3 weight. Oh, God. Fish on. This fish is just so pretty. Look at that guy. That is just a really gorgeous cutthroat. Wow.